Fungal infections kill 2 million people each year, and diagnosing these pathogens is a complex, expensive procedure. But synthetic biology researchers found a way to replace the specialized equipment with a simple one-component biosensor that could cost less than a penny.
I'm holding a very simple dipstick that is made of paper and yeast, baker's yeast, the same yeast that you use to ferment bread and beer, and basically the same yeast that you would eat. And what we did is we changed this yeast genetically to be able to detect pathogens, disease-causing pathogens, and to turn red.
The researchers swapped out one of the yeast's receptors for one that recognized the pathogen Candida albicans, which can cause life-threatening infections, and added the red pigment from tomatoes, which is activated when the yeast is exposed to the pathogen. Then they showed the biosensor could detect 9 additional human, agricultural, and food spoilage pathogens. The dipstick test detected pathogens in soil, urine, serum, and blood. But simplicity was not the researchers' only goal.
The idea we had was really, could we actually build a diagnostic device that was ultra cheap? Just very, very, very cheap. Basically, the cost of just the sugar that feeds the yeast, and that would be the only sort of expensive reagent required. And because we thought if it was so cheap, then really people outside the lab could use it all the time for continuous surveillance of pathogens.
Another advantage is it could be easily manufactured in developing countries. The researchers have developed a prototype and are working to get it to places that need it. I'm Faith Lapidus, VOA News.